start one-on-one or group calls with anyone in your organization, no matter where you are in Teams. Want to get a conversation going? In a one-on-one or group chat, select Audio Call to start one from there. You can also call someone with a Teams keyboard shortcut. Type /call in the command box and choose the person you want to reach. And if you see someone you want to call anywhere in Teams, hover over their photo and select Audio Call from their contact card. If you're set up to call outside phone numbers, select Calls and select Dial a number to call any number, even if they're not using Teams. If you have missed calls or voicemails, select History or Voicemail to view or listen to them. Then select More Actions, Call Back to return someone's call.